snores. Alan Crocker, another nasal noise machine.
So consistency was good, but the volume was well below David King.
In the wee hours of the morning, the Snore Squad patrols the corridors of the Swallow Hotel. Their mission, to make sure the racket stays inside the room. To snore-proof his hotel, manager Nick Burrows installed heavy sound-absorbing curtains, carpets and bedspreads and covered the walls with special plaster.
Fake snoring, and you've all done it. You've all done it. Fake snoring is out of the window.
To test the rooms, he brought together England's volcanic snorers for a free night at the hotel. Kirby Hines feels guilty for keeping his wife, Julia, awake.
She has it rough, don't you?
Well, he walks downstairs in the morning ever so sheepish. I'm sorry. Kept you awake again last night.
Michael Madden's neighbours hear him snoring.
Why do you think you snore so loudly?
Why? Can I just stand to the side? I think it's this here. the nose that does it.
Yolanda Sylvester thought she didn't snore until her son taped her.
And I just couldn't believe it. It was so disgusting. So now, or rather then, I realised why so many romances have come to an end.
The hotel served a large dinner with plenty to drink to ensure maximum snoring. Then it was time to get ready for a hard night's work, challenging the soundproofing of the rooms. Yolanda could be heard in the hallway, but inside the room, she was breaking the sound barrier.
She is true to her word. She does sound like a cow in a dairy.
And a surprise for the Snore Patrol. Remember Julia Hines, the suffering wife of snorer Kirby Hines? Well, look who's suffering now.
Mr. Hines was supposed to be the snorer, but it was Mrs. Hines that was blasting out at 78 decibels.
78.
The unapologetic Julia tied Yolanda for second place as a ripped roarer of a snorer.
It's still worse than me. If you could hear him, still worse than me.
I just can't believe it. But I'm going to stick those things up my nose that they gave me. And we'll test it and see.
The winning snore came from David Kidd.
I've never yet been asked back to the same house twice to spend the night.
Described by hotel management as a dinosaur of a snorer, David unofficially broke the world snoring record. Fortunately for the hotel, the noise stayed inside the room. Helena St. James, CTV News, Gateshead, England.